6.4 is looking at a lot of triangles and looking at interior and exterior angles. So we're going to take a look at this, and then we're going to kind of review a few things about just basics of triangles that may not always stick in your brain if you're anything like me. So we are looking at this triangle. Now the angles inside would be the interior angles, and the angle outside would be the exterior angle. So it's asking us to find what y equals. And we know that the sum of all of the angles of a triangle has to equal 180. So we are going to use that over and over again in order to solve for different angles. So we know that this is 123 degrees, and we know that since this is a line, the other side of that plus 123 is going to have to equal 180 since a line is 180 degrees. So we find that that interior angle is 57 degrees. When I add y plus 56 plus 57, it has to equal 180. So then when I subtract 56 and 57 from 180, I get that y equals 67 degrees. Now, another thing that's important to know in this lesson is the difference between a right angle, an isosceles triangle, and an equilateral triangle. So just as a quick review, a right triangle has a right angle in it. So it will have one right angle in it, and the three sides will be different lengths. The isosceles triangle is going to have two sides that are equal length and one side that is different. So because you are going to have two sides that are equal length, you are going to have two angles that are the same and one angle that is different. With an equilateral triangle, all three sides are the same length, which means that all three angles are going to be equal, and we know that 180 divided by 3 would give us 60, so the three angles in an equilateral triangle are all going to be 60 degrees.